You're welcome. I literally saved you hours of your life by creating this one thing that I'm going to put right here. And best news, it's 100% free for all of you to use. Any of you that have been part of the channel for any period of time know that I've covered a lot of topics and done a lot of fun things over time. Here's the problem. People struggle to find past videos of mine, or they don't realize that I've already made a whole video about a specific subject they are inquiring about in the comments. And while YouTube is a search engine, it's searching across the entire world of YouTube, and it may not surface my video in particular that you're looking for. And so what you're seeing right up here is my custom YouTube channel search engine. It searches all of the video titles, all of the video descriptions, as well as all of my video transcriptions. So now you can easily find exactly what you're looking for in my videos and get the help that you need from them. Let me jump into a demo and show you how epic this is. So the site will open with the most recent videos that have been uploaded to the channel since the page was updated. Now the page does not update exactly in time with the YouTube channel. It's more of like a periodic, like weekly update. So just bear that in mind. Some of the brand new, most fresh off the press videos won't be included with this until it updates. I hope to eventually fine-tune that so it updates more frequently, but for now, about every week is as good as it's going to get until I get it dialed in a little better. There's a couple of ways to filter this. So first, and the most important, is simply the keyword or question search. So let's just say EcoFlow hat. So out of over 410 videos, 50 of them have the potential of having something contained in it. And the best, most relevant search results default here in the top. However, you can search the exact match if you want. You can search by the newest videos that have been posted or the oldest. I found that the most relevant tab is usually the best. And so now you can just kind of scroll through here and you can see it has found every single one of my videos that have something to do with EcoFlow or the word hack in it. And so you can easily cruise through here and find relevant videos that you didn't realize maybe contain the content that you want to see. Some are quite old. You know, this is back from 2023 that maybe some of you newer viewers haven't even seen before. So anyway, I think this could be really powerful for you to be able to see, all the content that I've created about a certain subject, certain keywords, and maybe even expose you to some new videos that you didn't even realize were living on the channel. But hang on, it gets better. So let's use this top one here. So you can just click anywhere on this and it will automatically go to the video. Play it and away it goes. Or if there's a specific part in the transcript that you want to see. So let's just take this second one here and you can see that at 9 minutes and 20 seconds, we talk about this specific part. This is a little blurb from that transcript portion. So you can click that 9 minute and 20 second mark and it will automatically jump to that point in the video and you can pick up right at that point if you want. So I'm trying to streamline things and really help dial things in that you guys want to know about. Let's try a question. How to fuse battery cables. Ta-da! Look at that. The only video you need to understand cable and fuse sizing. Boom. Super easy to find the video all about cable and fuse sizing on my channel. But obviously I talk about, fusing and sizing things and stuff in a variety of different videos that you can, check out throughout the results here, which I think could be very, very beneficial. There are some frequently searched subjects here that you can just click on and away it goes. I think, though, for the most part, you guys will be actually typing in your specific queries up here in the search bar. Now, I just spent a ton of time getting this all set up on the channel. Try editing all 400 plus videos, descriptions, and copying and pasting links throughout all of them. That is quite a project, but I did it. So if you come to any of my video descriptions, come down here and find the little magnifying glass. It's usually right before the chapters at the end of the section where I have all the different links and stuff. And so right there where I say looking for something specific, search across hundreds of my videos, way better than YouTube search, that is the link in all of my videos on the channel already, as well as forthcoming videos. So you have easy access in every single video to jump to that search engine and utilize it. So I think that's going to help answer a lot of your questions and curiosities, at least through videos that I've already made. Of course, there are always the options to book a one-on-one video consultation with me or submit a guaranteed to be answered question at these links as well. So take your pick. Maybe you start with the search engine, see if you can see if I've already addressed your question or, curiosity or whatever. And then if not, or if you just want, a little bit of dedicated attention from me, jump to one of these other options after that. So please comment and tell me if you feel that this little search engine is going to be helpful to you. Go test it out, see what you think. I'd also love to hear any feedback from you on what I could add to it to make it all the more helpful to all of you. I don't want to over bloat it and make it so that there's too much stuff happening. But if there's some targeted ideas that you feel would be extremely beneficial to you as part of that search engine, I want to hear them. So leave them down in the comments. And of course, a link to that search engine will be down in the description, as well as the pinned comment for you guys to easily find and access. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hype. We always have epic stuff coming. I'm going to give you a sneak preview of something I'm working on right here. How does a 240 volt microinverter based system with zero export sound? And it's at a really good price point. I've got smart meters with CT clamps going on in my breaker panel right now. Smart communication modules with app control. I mean, this is going to be epic stuff. So I'm working on it. The video will be coming out soon, so you won't want to miss that. Plus, on top of that, look what I got here. Anchor power station, Anchor power station. I've got the Anchor hack video coming out where I use the cheap third-party expansion batteries on them. Thanks to all of you voting in the poll. That is the next hack that is coming out. Not only am I going to show you how to hack it one way, I'm going to show you how to hack it two ways. So those of you that own Anchor power stations, be excited because that video is almost here. And honorable mention, you guys might recognize this power station. This is one of the latest generation units from EcoFlow. And it just so happens that it has this nice little port that's shaped like this that a lot of you have been requesting help with when it comes to hacks and cheap battery expansion. For the longest time, I haven't had a power station that had one of these ports, so I couldn't do demonstrations and test different things with it, but now I do, and boy do I have some epic content coming up surrounding EcoFlows with this type of connector on it. Pro tip for my channel members. I keep hearing that whenever I release videos, sometimes the things that I am linking to shoot up in price right after the video drops. Those of you that are channel members, keep that in mind because you guys get access to the video numerous hours before it hits the public space. And so if you want the best possible pricing on any of the stuff that I discuss, you guys can move on it before different things trigger price increases and different things like that. So that's kind of a disguised perk that I don't think all of my channel members realize. Be sure and keep that in mind as different videos drop, especially coming up here with these very popular, exciting videos. So like I always say, there's really exciting stuff here on the horizon, not to mention this free tool that I just dropped today. So be excited, be subscribed, stay safe, and we'll catch you all next time.